Hi everyone, Tania TSN here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do an old t-shirt makeover. Basically, I'm gonna try to do that shirt that I've been having for about 3 years. So as you can see, it's a little bit large and it's a little bit long, and I don't use it as much for practicing or doing anything like that anymore. So I really want to have a more tight with a lettuce hem and everything. So I'm gonna be trying to do that in about like 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna try to show you every step that I'm doing and then show you the end result. So now what I'm gonna do first is actually tighten the shirt, and what I'm gonna do is using a zigzag stitch, I'm gonna sew it all over here. I'm just gonna turn it upside down, inside out I guess, and I'm just gonna do a line over here just to make sure that the shirt is gonna be a little bit tighter. I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna come back. So as you can see, my shirt now is tighter than earlier. So now I'm gonna measure the length of what I want to cut out. And so here you have it. So there's the transformation of my shirt. Now my old shirt became a new shirt that I will be wearing a lot. Oh, and if you're wondering about my hair, this is actually day 4 hair, using my own products that I'm making right now, that I'm testing out, and by the time I post this video they should be out. But if they're not, and if I don't have a video already on it, feel free to ask me any questions about my products and I will give you all the information about the launch and everything. But honestly, I just wanted to say that because I've been looking at myself like in the camera review, and I can actually see that my curls are still there after 4 days, popping outside like that and shining. So if you have any inquiries or questions, feel free to comment it down below. So that is it for me today. I hope you really enjoyed that video. If you have any comments or questions, don't forget to put them down below in the comment section. Also, you can always follow me on my Instagram at TaniaTsn__, as well as my Facebook page. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I post. And that was all for me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, so this is just a quick update on my website. I did it again all from scratch. So I just wanted to show you a little bit what you can find on there. You can find some blog posts. Most of my videos are actually also in a blog post where you can find over here on my website, but you can also find my shop on my website where you can actually shop all my Natural Me items as well as my handmade items from the Tania TSN African fabric line, where you can find edge band, puffy bands and queen caps. Don't hesitate to go check it out, and I hope that you will like it.